In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove audio from your video here in Canva. Now, technically, you can't actually remove the audio, but you can mute it. So let me go ahead and show you how. Let's come over to this folder I have just here of this little green screen duck. Now, let's make this a little bit bigger as well. There we go. Now, if we play this little video, we're going to hear a quack. Just like that. Now, like I said, we can't actually remove the audio, but we can mute it. So what we want to do is click onto the video that we want to mute, come up to here to this little volume icon. Right here, we can press mute, and then that sound is going to be removed from that video. You can also play with the volume of the sound as well, but for this example, let's keep that on muted, just like that. So that's how to remove your audio from a video here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.